Unlock the power of predictive analytics in telecom. Master customer churn prediction with machine learning. Are you ready to delve into the exciting world of machine learning and its real world application? Imagine having the ability to predict when telecom customer might switch provider even before it happens. Sound interesting, doesn't it? Our comprehensive course is designed to equip you with the skills and the expertise needed to become a proficient data engineer in the telecom industry. Here's what you will learn: Apache Spark and Databricks. Dive into the fundamentals of Apache Spark and how to leverage it in a Databricks for machine learning projects. Data loading and EDA. Master the art of loading data into Databricks and conducting in-depth exploratory data analysis, that is EDA, to extract meaningful insight. Build ML models. Learn how to craft powerful machine learning model tailored for predicting telecom customer churn. Web publishing and presentation. Showcase your project on the web, making an impact that impress both peers and the potential employers. Why choose our course? First is hands-on experience. Dive straight into the practical project, implementing what you learn in the real world context. Second is expert guidance. Benefit from expert guidance and support throughout your learning journey. Third is career advancement. Gain skills highly sought after in the telecom industry, boosting your career prospects. Fourth, who is this course for? Whether you are a data enthusiast, aspiring data scientist, or a professional in a telecom sector aiming to upskill, this course is tailored to suit your needs. Join us on the thrilling journey through data analysis and machine learning. Take the first step towards becoming a pro in predicting customer churn in the telecom industry. Enroll now to unlock the secret of predictive analytics and revolutionize your approach to customer retention in telecom.